Good morning, folks. My name is Curtis Chandler, president of PFL. We hope that everyone had a great Christmas. The Dow closed higher on Thursday of last week, up 196.67 points and up 585.6 points week over week. The S&P closed higher on Friday of Thursday of last week, up 29.23 points and up 105.15 points week over week. NASDAQ closed higher on Thursday of last week, up 131.48 points and up 483.72 points week over week. In overnight trading, Dow futures traded higher and are expected to open up this morning 83 points. WTI crude closed up $1.03 a barrel on Thursday of last week to settle at $73.79 per barrel, up $2.93 a barrel week over week. U.S. commercial crude inventories decreased by 4.7 million barrels week over week. U.S. crude oil inventories are 8% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Total motor gasoline inventories increased by 5.5 million barrels week over week and are 4% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Distillate fuel inventories increased by 400,000 barrels week over week and are 8% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Propane and propylene inventories decreased by 800,000 barrels week over week and are 8% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Propane prices were flat week over week as inventories here in the U.S. continue to stabilize on warmer than normal winter weather so far this year. Oil is lower in overnight trading and WTI is poised to open down 81 cents per barrel from Thursday's close. Total North American rail volumes were down 4.3% week over week in week 50, resulting in quarter to date that volumes are down 5.3% and yearly volumes are down 4.8% year over year. 6 of 11 of AR's major traffic corridors saw declines, with the largest decline coming from intermodal, which was down 7%, and grain down 16.3%. The largest increase came from non-metallic minerals that were up 13.8%. North American rig count is down by 27 rigs week over week. The U.S. rig count was up by 7 rigs week over week and up by 238 rigs year over year. The U.S. currently has 586 active rigs. Canada's rig count was down by 34 rigs week over week, but up by 51 rigs year over year. And Canada's overall rig count is 133 active rigs overall year over year. We are up 289 rigs collectively. A few things that we're keeping an eye on: the U.S. Department of Energy approved a second exchange of 250,000 barrels of crude oil for release to Marathon Petroleum Company from the Strategic Oil Reserve. This release falls under the authorized published in the DOE announcement on November 23, 2021. See PFL's Rail Report for further details. In today's report, we take a look at Canadian current supply output, and as we head into 2022, project a pretty significant increase. See PFL's Rail Report for further details. The reading of PFL's Rail Report today is a must. Not only do we dive into items discussed in today's podcast, we talk about refinery runs, overall production, import-export numbers, and dive into the U.S. latest employment situation. Bottom line, a lot of good information, a lot of fancy graphs and pictures. We hope that you enjoy reading PFL's Rail Report today. We do it all for you folks. PFL has been extremely active in all railcar storage and return on lease situations, subleasing and cleaning. Just check out our just posted reports at pflpetroleum.com. Call PFL with any problems, or if you just like to troubleshoot, we're here and happy and able to talk to you. Our number, of course, is 239 390-2885, and we wish you a great week and an upcoming Happy New Year to all. Thank you, folks. Have a wonderful week.